In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an automation rule in Wrike using the Apps and Integrations gallery. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace. From your main view, navigate to the project or folder where you want this automation to live. This is usually done from the left-hand navigation panel, where your spaces, folders, and projects are listed. Click into the relevant project so that you're looking at its main view, such as the table or list view. At the top of your Wrike workspace, look for the area that contains your main controls and settings. You'll see different options depending on your permissions, but what you want is the gateway into the broader Wrike tools. Click on the highlighted area that opens up more options for your workspace. From the menu that appears, select Apps and Integrations. This is where Wrike lets you connect to other tools and set up more advanced workflows. Once that page opens, you'll see a gallery of recommended integrations and categories. In the search bar on this page, type into the highlighted field to look for the integration or automation you want to use. As you type, Wrike will filter the gallery results in real time. When you see the highlighted integration card you're looking for, click on it to open its details page. On the integration details screen, look for the option to create an automation rule connected with this app. Click on Create a Rule. This opens the rule builder, where you define what should trigger the rule and what actions Wrike should take automatically. Now you'll see a series of highlighted options guiding you through the setup. Start by clicking the highlighted trigger section. Choose the condition that best matches what you want. In this case, you're looking for a due date-based trigger. Continue by clicking the highlighted fields to refine it, such as choosing the specific timing. Next, set the main action. One useful option is to notify people when a task is getting close to its due date. Select the rule that says something like, when due date is within 1 day, then add a comment and mention followers and assignees. Click into this rule to open and review it. If needed, select the variation that mentions followers and owners instead of assignees, depending on how your team works. Use the highlighted fields to adjust details such as the exact timing, the message content of the comment, and who gets mentioned. When everything looks correct, click the final highlighted Create button to save your rule. Wrike will now automatically watch due dates and post comments to keep your team informed without any manual effort.